Hello and welcome to the Scatterworld channel. And today we're gonna break the law. You see that? We gotta cross that. There's cars coming on the right and on the left. Not yet. Wait, there might be an opening. There is an opening. I'm going for it. So I've got quite a long day ahead of me. I'm contractually obliged to make a video on this, and I don't want to quite spoil it for you guys, but I'm doing something with Newegg and Intel here in California, Los Angeles, at actually their HQ. Anyways, I'm about to enter the building. It's gonna be quite a bit of a day, but I'm gonna do my best to show you guys what it takes to host one of these live streams with Newegg and how I'm gonna handle it. So just to give you guys a little idea of the operation we got going here, to my right is this outdoor patio, which a bunch of execs, I think, are gonna be at. This is gonna be something else entirely I'm not gonna be a part of. However, this is what I'm here for. And this, by the way, is the fit check. Sweater polo, white pants, white shoes. I think it'll go good because in here, it is all completely dark. Oh shoot, it's Trisha Hirschberger. Oh my God. Okay, so what I'm about to do, this is only half of it, but I am gonna be doing some shoutcasting. So if you look right there, there's going to be me. There's a camera currently being moved. I have my notes here on my laptop. Never mind, this is the Windows settings. And then to the right of me is going to be where tech is going to be. There's the Newegg logo. We're gonna have a 6v6 going on over there. And yeah, so technically I'm not gonna be gaming today, but that said, I don't mind it. I don't mind being a shoutcaster. But the challenge is that this is over Marvel Rivals. And I've done my best to get more research and info on the game, but ultimately, you guys know me, I'm a sim racer, so I'm actually quite interested in that stuff going on over there. Anyways, I'm gonna keep preparing and get ready for this live stream and all the content we're gonna be shooting today. Okay, there's no way he shows up. There's no way he shows up. Okay, I haven't yet seen what the outside looks like. Oh my God, it's bright. Let's see, how are we doing over here, guys? It's like we're still doing some tests. There's where everyone's gonna be sitting. And I think even if you're coming here into the game room, right there's where you can see that guy on the podium talking. That's Ben, by the way. Okay, another thing, here's what the gaming stations look like for each contestant for our Marvel Rivals tournament. So we've got this webcam right here pointing at me. There's my face. And here are the computers. So these are also powered by ABS. And we've actually got the full spec sheet right here. I'll show you briefly, but most importantly, we've got the Intel Core Ultra 7 265KF with an NVIDIA graphics card, plenty of RAM. And one cool thing actually that the CEO, I think, of ABS told me is that this right here isn't just a light up icon, it's actually a power button, which I'm not gonna touch for obvious reasons, but this can be a power button in addition to what we've got going on right here. So that's pretty neat from ABS. There's what the inside looks like. But yes, this is just one of, I think, 12 computers that are gonna be gaming today for our tournament. So these are kind of sick.
First of all, thank you, Mayor Chang.
Are we ready? 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, okay, here we go.
I'll speak directly into your microphone. It's me. I'm getting uncomfortably close to talking to your microphone right now.
Can you say the line, please?
You know what, I will for you. Hey guys, this is Austin.
Oh.
It's Scatterworld.
Yes. Dude, I'm surprised Austin's here. It's just made my day a little bit better. I didn't know you were coming until this morning when I saw your lanyard.
I didn't know it was coming until last night, so that makes two of us.
Ah, okay, great. Well,
It's a cool setup though, man. It's a really cool setup they've got here.
oh yeah.
Rad. You're be casting.
Yeah, I'm gonna be casting. My work is not done yet. Austin's just here, but
I'm just here to hang out, man. This is easy.
this is probably the best Easter egg I could have come across. So, man, good to see you, Austin.
Of course, dude.
right, we're about, I think, 20 minutes away from me going live on my YouTube channel, just building up some hype for this upcoming Newegg live stream with Intel Gamer Days. I'm also going to be unveiling the giveaway PC. So I've got all the specs for those on the table. Got to make sure I got all those in my head and how I best pitch it. But we got some influencers already in the room. Yeah, I think we've got Team 1 already decked out. But otherwise, these next 2 hours are going to be crazy. So wish me the best.
Hello and welcome to the Schedule channel. And today, this may look unfamiliar to you, but I'm here in the Newegg Gamer Zone. This is a brand new space created by Newegg in partnership with Intel, because today we're celebrating Intel Gamer Days. And my favorite, a really good 205 memory RAM controller. Run some memory, I think at like 8,000 megahertz on this without any issue. Pretty cool. And all these different influencers and creators battling out and local rivals in domination, king of the hill. We don't know how feisty it's going to be, but I'm looking forward to it, and I hope the rest of you are as well. So don't forget to head on over to twitch.tv/Newegg, and let's watch the madness unfold.
You've got one more ult to leverage to get onto that board.
Now it's Nick. They're very much in the thick of it. Ooh! Quinn has to respawn. Blue team trying to make a final last-minute effort, but it is not enough.
Hey, my name is David St. Cyr.
Scatterable?
And thank you for joining me.
All right, so it's been a few days since I got back home from the event, and I've had that time to decompress, but I've also had time to work on many of those ABS pre-built giveaway shorts you've been seeing on my YouTube channel, and that's to say, there isn't just one giveaway happening right now, there's another one. On newegg.com/IGD, you can enter in their giveaway for actually that PC I was showing off during their live stream with that Intel Core processor and RTX 5090 graphics card. But as you guys have seen, there's also the ABS pre-built gaming PC giveaway with the Intel Arc B580 graphics card that I've been teasing through shorts on my channel. And right now we're on short 4 out of 5. So the final keyword, the final short, the final clue on how to enter that giveaway is gonna go live tomorrow, and we're gonna pick winners for that really soon. So be sure to stay tuned for that. And finally, I think you ought to check out the Newegg Gamer community. It's this website that is on Newegg that is essentially Reddit, but specifically tailored for PC gamers and PC hardware, which I have found useful just to kind of get a lay of the land as far as to what's in the minds of PC gamers who are possibly shopping for computer hardware. So it's been really interesting on that front. And I feel like if you are someone who doesn't know where to start for gaming PC hardware, I think that'll be a nice place to go that maybe isn't Reddit. So do check out Newegg Gamer community. That's also useful on top of the 2 other giveaways happening right now. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed that vlog style video. And with all that said, this is the Scatterable channel, signing out.